Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Alright guys, I'm back. Hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. You're here because you landed on my website because you're out there searching online how to make money online, okay? Or you may be one of my current subscribers. Either way, I'm glad you're here. If this is your first time on my page, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, I am a full-time internet marketer, and I actually show you how to make money online with different opportunities. Okay, so make sure you check my page out. But today I'm here on behalf of Easy Profit 100. Okay, this is a program that's been around for 7 years. I've been a part of the program for 3 years. And today I bring to you some great news, guys. I received a phone call from the owner today, okay, that he's adding a residual income stream to Easy Profit 100. That's right, you heard it right. He's adding a residual income stream to Easy Profit 100, okay? We haven't had that before, so I'm super excited to see that. This program is a direct mail program, okay, in which you can mail postcards or flyers, or you can simply market this program online, either or both, okay? Because you have a website, you have a back office, you can track your sales, you can track your leads. That's one of the things that drew me to this company, okay? It's only $149 to get started, all right? You're going to order your postcards separately. You can do that from this website, okay? And the company pays you $100 for every sign up that you get. Okay, it's a reverse 2-up, as you can see on the page right here. Okay, the first sale you will keep, your second sale you will pass up, your third sale you will keep, your fourth sale you will pass up. Okay, that's the leverage in this program, the reverse 2-up. Everyone passes up their second and fourth sale. Okay, this is not multi-level marketing, anything like that. Okay, it's a direct sales program. Okay, there's no levels. It's a horizontal pay line. Okay, real simple comp plan. Now, what they've added is this is optional. It's not mandatory. You still can just join Easy Profit 100 for $149 and just buy your postcards and, you know, just mail out the postcards, or you can just market this online. What I'm saying is it's optional to go ahead and get started with what we call phase 2 of Easy Profit 100. Phase 2, okay, where you can earn residual income. It's $50 a month, and you're going to make $25, half of that, okay? They're going to split the commission with you. Every time someone pays their $50 membership, you're going to make $25, okay? So, in essence, you can make $125 per sign-up, okay? So I'm going to show you that. You can't see it from the main website right now because it hasn't been added. I'm just bringing it to you because it was brought to me, and you can only see it in your back office. So if you're already an Easy 1-Up, go ahead and log in your back office. I'm going to show you where it is, and I highly recommend you guys going ahead and adding this additional income stream, because if you're serious about Easy Profit 100, you've invested, you might as well go ahead and position yourself to make the residual income. That's why you joined in the first place. And you cannot be in phase 2 if you're not in phase 1. Okay? And phase 1 is simply joining Easy Profit 100, spending your $149. Okay? So if you're not in phase 1, you cannot join in phase 2 to earn the residual income. Okay? So I'm going to show you, I'm going to go to the back office and show you where it is, but it will eventually be on the home page. But right now you won't see it until you log in the back office. And you have to be a part of Easy Profit 100 to do that. So let me show you that real quick, this actual education, okay? Hang tight 1 second. Okay, as you can see, I'm in the back office there. There's me, Postcard Diva right there, okay? Here's my name, and right here you see it says Easy Profit 100 Phase 2, $50, and up here it says Phase 2 Training. So that means I've had to pay, okay? Let me open this up. You have to pay to be able to, let me change the screen here a little bit. you have to pay, guys, to be in phase 2. Okay, let's see if I can get this to go over a little bit. Okay. Okay, so you log into your back office, okay, and you come over here. Okay, let's make this screen stack. You log in and you come down right here to go ahead and get registered. Okay, spend the 50 times someone joins you at Easy Profit 100. If they join phase 2 to get the training bucks. Okay, for every person that does that. So just think of the potential income that you can make. If you're already in Easy Profit 100, I highly recommend you go ahead and get in phase 2, because if someone joins phase 2 in your downline and you're not in phase 2, that 25 bucks is going to go up to your sponsor. Okay, so you definitely want to get in phase 2. If you're not in Easy Profit 100 and you've been thinking about it, guess what? It's perfect timing, guys. Go ahead and jump in, get an Easy Profit 100, make this your business. Go ahead and on 49, pay the 50 bucks and get in and get started with phase 2, so you can be positioned to receive those $25 commissions. Okay, so again, it just got started, and it's just going to get better as it goes. As it goes further along. So, as I stated, it's education. Right here, see what it says? It's education. So, you're going to be getting education as you do your Easy Profit 100 business. So, I just think it's a win-win. Okay? Have your postcard marketing business or your online business with education and be able to earn residual income off of. So, you click downloads. Okay, I'm going to show you that. Hang on one second. Okay, when I click downloads right here, as you can see, here's the training. Okay, again, we're just getting started, guys. So let's see if I can go over. Okay, the training is already here. Okay, the training is already here. So you have some files already here. When you click downloads, once you pay, okay, once you go to phase 2, pay your 50 bucks. Click downloads, and here's your training. And this is, you're going to be having more training added as this thing, really gets kicked off. Okay, so that's what phase 2 is, actual education. The Easy One Up now has a residual income stream, and you can get started, okay, with this. I think it's a great combination to go ahead and just take your business to the next level. Because if you're serious about Easy Profit 100, that's where you need to go. You can have residual income as you do the business. And take that residual income and put it back into your business. Whether it's buying more postcards, buying more stamps, or sending more traffic to your Easy Profit 100 business, okay? Definitely. Go ahead and get in phase 2, guys. Start earning you some residual income. Okay, so phase 2 training, you definitely want to get started, earn you some on some additional information, but I just wanted to put that out there that Easy Profit 100 now has a residual income stream. If you want to get started, it's optional. It's still $149. You're not adding that on as something mandatory, but it's great to go ahead and have that option to be in a residual income stream with a business you already promoting. Okay, so that's all I've got for you guys today. What I'm going to do is go ahead and put the link below, okay, for Easy Profit 100. Go ahead and get started, guys. Get in this business. Subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. I try to keep you guys posted what's going on, okay? So I'm not just here to flash money and things like that. I want to keep you in tune with the businesses that I'm a part of, and all, my members that's a part of this with me, my business partners, okay? So, and I'm going to try to direct you in the right direction on what you need to do to maximize your profits, okay, and your income, and that's what you're here to do. So, phase 2 is where you want to go with Easy Profit 100, okay? So, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'll be happy to discuss that with you. I look forward to partnering with you in Easy Profit 100. I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.